Today I've travelled down to High Wycombe to visit Hurco Machine Tools and take a look around their showroom ready for their Demo Deals Day on Thursday the 28th of September. This is one of the machines that's going to be on show, the VM1, which is a startup 3-axis machine, and also a VM10i, which is just a little bit bigger, and obviously, as you can see, great control systems on here which are really visibly pleasing. We've also got a VM20 with a Pro Cobot robot, basically, plugging in and out parts non-stop. Great step into automation if you're looking for that. And come on, Ian, let's keep going. We've also got a Space 3 ready for a machine to be dropped and delivered, ready for demo day. A VMX30 UDI, so this is a 5-axis machine. Look at that part that they've put on there. That is all programmed on the machine. No CAD CAM has been used there. And also this VM10 HSI, which has also got some pretty complex parts on there, which just shows you how versatile these Hurco machines are and what they're able to do. Next one in the corner is a TM6i, which is a 2-axis lathe. Packs a punch, this one as well. We've also got a TMX10 MYSI. This is a huge lathe, 2 twin spindle, 1 turret, 2 screens. What more could you ask for? Then a TM8MI. Take a look inside, Ian. Lovely lathe in there. And then we're moving down, come on, a VMX60i, which is a huge 1.5 meter bed on this machine. Packs a punch, 30 tool changer, 2 screens for setup, 1 for programming and 1 for running your test run. Now, this one here, this is a little bit different, a VMX42 SRTi. Have a look in there. So you've got 2 types of table in there with a 15K spindle, BT40 tooling. Also again, 2 screens, makes it great for the customer to see what's going on, to see what parts are going to be machined. Also in here, another 5-axis. Take a look at Darth Vader in there. This is what you can achieve with machines like this. And also with the Hurco Big Plus spindles, it can take that material straight out. Also in a rower pallet system, which is one of the top specs of pallet systems that you can get. And the last one here is a VMX42 UDI, fully fledged 5-axis with a huge range on there. So what else are you going to see on this Demo Deals Day? We've also got a space for a new machine, but if you're free on Thursday the 28th of September, come down and have a look.